Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw IFTTT Maker subscription for automation, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw your IFTTT Maker subscription, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the IFTTT website. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, go to the top right corner of the page. Click on your profile icon to open the drop-down menu. Select Account from the menu options. In the Account section, locate the Billing tab. Click on the Billing tab to access your subscription details. Look for the Subscriptions section within the Billing page. Find your Maker subscription listed there. Next to the subscription details, click on the Manage button. A new menu will appear with options related to your subscription. Select Cancel Subscription from the options provided. You may be prompted to confirm your decision to cancel. Review any information provided about cancellation terms. Once ready, confirm the cancellation by clicking the appropriate button. After canceling, check for a confirmation email in your registered inbox. This email will confirm that your subscription has been successfully withdrawn. For your records, keep this confirmation email stored safely. You have now successfully withdrawn your IFTTT Maker subscription for automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.